Hey Benedict, it's Ryan here with River City Hyundai. Just wanted to personally thank you for your inquiry on our 2014 Ram 1500 with the fender flares as noted in your chat. Beautiful aftermarket rims, plenty of tread left on those tires. Coming to the driver's door here, you have all of your power options, your mirrors, your windows, your lock. Taking a look at the steering wheel here, you do have your Bluetooth phone controls on the left hand side, and then your cruise control and Shiftronic on the right hand side. Then you come over to your touchscreen radio with FM, AM, Sirius XM, as well as the Uconnect audio system for your phone. Opening up the glove box here, you do have your USB as well as your auxiliary ports, as well as another 12 volt besides the one that's already on the front. And then taking a look at the back seat here, you do have plenty of space. And then the trunk does come with a tonneau cover as well. Thank you once again for your inquiry, and I'd love to chat with you about the truck further. You can reach me on my cell phone at 780-707-1040 or here at the store 780-371-3700. Again, my name's Ryan. Have a great